How to heal emotionally when you feel lost. 6 powerful shifts. The lie of I'll be happy when. The most dangerous phrase you can ever use is that you will be happy when something happens, okay? Like when you get that love, when you get that job, when you get that promotion, like you'll be happy when you get that external thing, okay? It's not about that, okay? It's about progress. Make progress. Just focus on the tiny things. Also be present in the moment and just remember that you need to move forward, okay? But you gotta take action, of course. Nothing happens on its own, but don't think that you'll be happy when something happens, okay? You gotta find it within. And many people talk about this. You heard this a million times, but it's really true, okay? Happiness is within. And just focus on the progress, man. It's really worth it. Every no to others is a yes to yourself. Set boundaries, man. You deserve it, okay? Every no you say is a yes to yourself. Now, how good is that, really? When you think about it, saying yes to yourself, isn't that the most important thing? Sometimes we gotta be selfish, man. Like, respect yourself. And yeah, when you set the rules and you know like this is something I will absolutely not do or not tolerate, like that's actually a very good thing to do because you will respect yourself more and more the more you do it, okay? Enough is enough. The moment everything changes. You ever had one of those moments where you just felt like enough is enough? No more. I gotta change something. I don't feel good about certain things and I just know things need to change or this is not going the right way, okay? I just want this to change and things have to change. It's going to change right now. Enough is enough. When was the last time you ever had such a moment? Because it's damn important, man. This is your life we're talking about. How to feel hope again when everything feels pointless. When nothing excites you anymore, don't look for motivation, but look for actually what's working already. Look for wonders. Look for things that are looking good. The small moments. Look at the trees. Look at the sky. Look at the birds. Look at the child playing. There are many things out there that are really beautiful. When you shift your focus towards something that's actually making you happy and cheering you up, then that energy will win. Don't give the negativity a chance to win, man. How to feel human again after years of survival mode. Do you feel like a robot just getting through the day? You haven't lost your humanity. It's just buried. When you live under stress all the time, it's really normal to feel disconnected and you may not feel like yourself. It's totally okay. Everyone goes through this, and there's a simple way to actually overcome this real quick. Just be present. Like, listen to the sounds around you. Listen to things that you see and hear. Look around you and notice something in particular. Okay, this really helps. How to heal when you don't even know what is wrong. Ever feel broken, but you can't really explain why? This happens to everybody, but there were days when I just didn't want to come out of bed, okay? But eventually I managed because I tried to understand it. What you can do, something really simple, just place your hand on your heart and just say, whatever this is, I want to understand it. Okay? I'm choosing me. Just show me what it is. And with that understanding, you can actually learn to heal.